My name is Tashtika Sam, and I'm a prefect of the Salvation Army School for the Blind and Visually Impaired. I've been here since the age of 6.
Tashtika Sang is just one of the many visually impaired students that have been empowered at the Salvation Army School for the Blind and Visually Impaired. The school, which is located at 57 Mannings Hill Road, prides itself on giving birth to confident, successful, and independent young minds.
We have on roll approximately 135 students, ranging from 4 years to 21 years of age. They are from different parishes all over Jamaica, and living accommodation is also provided for them, for those who are outside of the corporate area.
The contraction for ING. Nobody remember the ING side? 3, 4, and 6. 3, 4, and 6. I'm done.
In addition to the normal curriculum, we do Braille. Braille, which helps the blind person to read and write. That is their mode of reading and writing. And we also have computer, which can help them also to communicate with the outside world. Mobility helps them to be more independent, to move about independently, instead of sitting down and waiting for other persons to take them to wherever they want to go. As long as they have the location, they know where they want to go, they can find their way around. So basically that is it. Yes, know how to behave when they are on the street, how to cross the street, yes, and what to look out for. And basically when they are out there, they have to depend a lot on their hearing.
In addition to equipping its current students with the requisite knowledge and life skills, the school also offers support to past students.
At the school here, we do employ some past students who have done extremely well in different areas, and they have come back here to work. We believe in getting them to work because they themselves can be motivators for the present students.
I am Sashana, and I came to the school in 1991, and today I assist with teaching the JAWS program. Now, the JAWS program is an acronym for Job Access with Speech, and this program allows blind and low vision persons to use the assistive technology to do everyday tasks such as writing, surfing the internet, and reading books.
Document 1 Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word document edit multi-line. Page 1 section 1 blank. K-O-N-1-F. Unlock up to 0 space 19.
I spent my first 7 years of schooling here, from grade infants through to grade 6. Subsequently graduated, went to Calabar High School, spent 7 years there, went to the UE, where I completed both bachelor's and master's degree in social work. Now I'm here as the guidance counselor since the past 4 years. Every year the guidance counseling department organizes a fun day in commemoration of the National Children's Day. The event was planned so that they could enjoy themselves in a similar way to how persons of the general population would also enjoy their Children's Day.
Salvation Army School for the Blind, good afternoon. I have also gone through this marvelous institution, and I did all my subjects here and graduated from this institution, and I am now the receptionist of this organization. Now, a receptionist, you might ask, what do I do here? Well, basically, I answer and screen all the phone calls, and I also screen the visitors, and I also transcribe from Braille to print. Persons that have graduated from this institution would be in the high schools. Now, they would get homeworks. Now, how would the teacher, go about reading these homeworks, you might ask? This is where my job comes in. So they would write up what they're writing in Braille and bring their works back to me, and I would now transcribe them, send them by email or by print to the school for them to read.
S-C-O-R-D. and the ING.
And there's more. The school also has an outreach program that caters to the needs of blind and visually impaired students across Jamaica.
As part of our outreach program, we carry out vision screening in communities and in schools. This chart is utilized to show the different levels of vision the student might have. For example, at the top of the chart, if the student can only see this large E, then the student will have 20/22 vision. And that means that that child must be referred to an ophthalmologist, since we are not specialists. So we refer the child to the ophthalmologist, who then, if the child needs to come to school to the blind to attend school here, the ophthalmologist will refer the child.
And I'm wiser, I'm better, so much better. When I look back over all you brought me through. What would we do without the teachers? They have been supportive. They've been our support systems away from our parents. I wouldn't be who I am today if it wasn't for the assistance and help of the Salvation Army School for the Blind, and I am so grateful for this opportunity. I could have lost it all, but now I see how you were there for me.